Welcome back. Vijaya Bank actually has given up all its gains. It's off close to about 5% from the high point of the day and absolutely flat as we speak. What could have disappointed the street is that the profits are down 42% year on year. But if you adjust it for the tax write back for the 2 quarters, profits are actually down 71% on a year on year basis at 52 versus 183 crores. So that's a pretty substantial decline for the second quarter in a row on the back of higher provisions. So adjusted for the tax write back for the 2 quarters, profits are significantly lower, close to about 70%. But we're running out of time. This is our personal finance corner. Hemant Rustagi of Wiseinvest Advisors is our expert. Hi Hemant, good afternoon. Our first caller is Nileshwara Takkar calling us from Nagpur. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon, madam. This is Nileshwara Takkar calling.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, my question is, I am having an unit-linked insurance plan with HDFC Bank.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, within last 15 days, I have got some good rise.
Okay.
But again, due to since the market is crashing, I am incurring some losses.
Okay.
My question is that shall I continue this insurance plan or shall I surrender it?
Okay. Hemant, what would you recommend?
Well, I would say that, ULIP is essentially a long-term investment option. But, what is important here to understand is that this is not necessarily the best way to invest in equity. But like any other option which allows you to invest in equity, this one too requires you to have a time commitment as well as a discipline of investing on a regular basis. While the time commitment, that is, especially if you have commitment for long term, will allow you to benefit from the true potential of equity, the regular investment will make sure that you're able to tackle the volatility. Therefore, trying to time the market in terms of entry or exit in an equity option, I don't think it's a great idea. I think your decision whether you should continue with the equity option or going into debt would depend upon what is your time horizon. Let's say if you have another 5-6 years to go and you want to continue investing in this particular ULIP, well, I think you can continue with this, but of course you need to keep an eye on how this particular ULIP is performing. As far as the market potential is concerned, well, if you have a stable government and with the improving macroeconomic numbers, we can expect the market to do well. So do not make changes in your equity investment, whether it's ULIP or any equity fund, looking at the market mood. Keep your focus on your time horizon. If your time horizon allows you to continue, you should continue invested in this.
Okay, well, let's get in an SMS. We have Suman Kumar who sends us an SMS from Jamshedpur. She would like to know if she should invest in HDFC Balance Fund as an SIP for 15 years. Hemant?
Well, HDFC Balance Fund is actually a quality fund. It has an excellent long-term track record. Being an equity-oriented fund, 65 to 70% of the money is invested in equity and the rest in debt. And since she intends to invest in, through SIP, I think it's a perfect choice. What happens is that, you get the benefit of averaging, and also if you do not want your 100% money to go into equity, then balance fund certainly is a very good option. And another advantage is that the fund manager will keep on rebalancing the portfolio and keep moving money from equity to debt. So I think she has made a perfect choice. But only one advice I would like to give, that if she wants to increase her investment further going forward with the same kind of time horizon, she should also start looking at well diversified equity funds.
Okay, Hemant. Thanks so much for joining in and answering all our viewer queries. With the market still very stable, it's come off a bit from the morning 0.5% gain, so now it's only higher by 0.2%, but largely it's on the stable side. Vijaya Bank is under a bit of pressure, completely flattened out, but we're still awaiting earnings from HDFC Limited as well as Titan Industries. Those two will be on our radar. But